Welcome back to Craft. Today we are back here to guide you to learn calligraphy with 3 easy steps. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Craft. Now let's get started. The 3 basic elements in calligraphy are upstrokes, downstrokes and turnings. Upstrokes are the strokes in upward direction. They should look very thin. Then comes the downstrokes. They are strokes in a downward direction. They should look thick. If you use brush pens, then downstrokes are drawn thick by themselves. But when we use normal pens for faux calligraphy, we make it to appear thick as shown in video. Next, the turnings. This is the last step to learn calligraphy. There are 4 basic turnings. I am listing it out here. For these turnings, you should follow the 2 steps stated earlier. That is, the strokes should be thin in the upward direction and thick in the downward directions. Notice the arrow marks that are drawn here in the turnings for your understanding. To master it, keep practicing the turnings and letterings in calligraphy. Try to write new words using the skills you learned. And here we go. We have almost learned calligraphy. We are lagging only with practice. Now let's practice few letters and words further. Almost all letters are combination of some turnings. The letter A is written by combining these 2 turnings. As we already know, we should thicken the downward strokes. Let's see another letter B, in calligraphic font. Similarly, try writing all the alphabets. Next, I will also demonstrate you few capital letters. Come on, let's check it out. You can write the letters in your style. I have my own style of writing. Only thing you must be conscious is that the upstrokes should be thin and downstrokes should be thick. Notice the movement of my pen, and see how I am thickening the downward strokes. Let's see another example for letter B. As already said, you should practice it for all letters. If you wish that I should upload another video with more examples and styles, then like and share this video and add your thoughts below in comments section. Do subscribe my channel, to get notified when I upload next video. Now, I will be showing you a few words as an example. Don't miss the fun fact added in this video's description box. Another example. You can also decorate your words in your own style. So far in the video, I have used just a ink pen which I had used in my school days. Anyways, I will show another example written using just a ballpoint pen. You can also use a pencil. See? Calligraphy looks good even with a ballpoint pen. You don't need any special equipments. So, we have reached the end of this video. Hope you follow these tips and practice more words. If you have any doubts, please comment in below, and I will respond as soon as possible. I believe you all will find this video very useful. Support our channel by subscribing it. If you wish to share your calligraphy skills to me and get it featured in my next video, then mail me the photos of your writings to the mail ID given in description box. Thank you guys for watching the video till end. Check out my other videos too.